Rule 2, embrace your true expenses. It's really just a continuation of Rule 1. When you're giving every dollar a job, you want to make sure you're including jobs for those things that may not happen every month. Some of these are predictable, like the holidays, and others are a little unpredictable. You might not know when you're going to have car trouble, but if you have a car, you're going to need new brakes and tires eventually. So actually not that unpredictable. I started this budget back in July, and of course I budgeted for my immediate obligations, but I also started saving for my true expenses, all those things that I knew were going to happen eventually. And sure, I had to spend some of those dollars. We had an unexpected doctor's visit on the 4th, twisted my ankle, and also had some home repairs that looks like we had to take care of as well on the 25th. But the dollars that I did not spend in July just sat in those categories and waited to do their jobs. Now, in August, I continued to contribute to my true expenses. Again, I had to spend some of those dollars, but the ones that were not needed immediately were added to the ones that I didn't spend in July. Well, it's now September, and the time has come for us to get new tires on the car. Luckily, we've been preparing for this for the last 3 months. I've got $300 available in this category, and I can go ahead and just pay for those tires, even leaving some money to spare. I'll go ahead and add that transaction here to my checking account. I visited my local mechanic today. It's going to come from my auto maintenance category, and $200 is how much those tires cost. Now, everything that I've just shown you is Rule 2 in action. Embrace your true expenses, and then you'll be ready for them when they happen. Man, that $200 purchase barely felt like anything. In fact, it was almost boring. When you embrace your true expenses, you remove all the stress and anxiety from your finances. You're just ready for those big bills, freeing up a lot of time and energy for all the other things in your life, which I can guarantee are a lot more important than buying tires.